Adjusting the graphics settings on your PlayStation 5 can help improve performance and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to lower the graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Access settings. Navigate to the home screen of your PlayStation 5 and select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Step 2. Select Save Data and Game/App Settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and choose Save Data and Game/App Settings to access the options related to your games. Step 3. Choose Game Presets. Under the Save Data and Game/App Settings, select Game Presets. This option allows you to adjust the default settings for games installed on your console. Step 4. Adjust Performance Mode. In the Game Presets menu, you will find options for Performance Mode and Resolution Mode. Select Performance Mode to prioritize frame rate over resolution, which can help improve gameplay smoothness. Step 5. Individual Game Settings. For specific games, go back to the home screen, highlight the game you want to adjust, press the Options button on your controller, and select Game Settings. Here, you may find additional graphics options to lower settings further. By following these steps, you can effectively lower the graphics settings on your PlayStation 5, optimizing performance for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming.